Bonwire, a historic Ashanti region town renowned for its pivotal role in interweaving, faces a decline in its appeal as a tourist destination due to the crumbling road network in the area. Residents of Bonwire and neighboring communities expressed dismay as fewer people visit, impacting both tourism and the local economy. Citi News' Middle Belt Bureau Chief Edward Opongmafo delves into the challenges facing the community in this report.
Bonwire, famed for its hand-woven kente textiles, draws visitors from far and wide to witness the dedication of its residents, young and old, male and female, in preserving this cherished weaving heritage. The authentic fabrics from Bonwire have made it a sought-after destination for kente enthusiasts. However, the deplorable state of roads in Bonwire and nearby areas, including those in Adjusted Municipality and Kwabri East, is making life unbearable for residents. Some have even threatened to voice their concerns during the upcoming election season.
Like if we see mobile, we can fire Mampon cars in the banner, VIP Nama, Fabon and Sigisu. So, if I bring out Mampontina, out me far, be see a bra, or see Bonjanaco. Ut me fair bra, equify a brand about to call you so. Tis a home free, even Tomequani year, even home free, Bokina Banana, home me far, Sibel and Kiwasi. But from the moment you might be any Timono, but from some chairs saying, yeah, home, send us here be do. Omodom Castle, languages, no Vietnam, and I'm going so no other can pay. So we are going to be able to some class soldiers. Now, so now so we found come Quabre campaign. Quabre is up, you should be a fab boy, you brand, which we found come a campaign. Now, a quano and the candemo, the quantity and the other V8, and the ultimate. Obenam now. Any Ombequin boots for boot. A quamuka from Cabe campaign. Yeah, we are open. Yapamu.
Acquire Bonwire Kura Tourist Center. And you cool a whole free amount so bad, a better idea. As a quine in I say, a quiet justice, I may know what I say, a and 12 road. I have BP Bonwire, Manfu, a quanable mapper, and then be any more befasso. A quiet justice, a quiet Jamachi, or shall you will be fear any more cast in a divertifa. A quapa, not in the say, well, Mr. Nifaso Hasino. A quine and TSS, a quano, a banner made on your mind. Say, I'm a business in Coso. Bibia nu hwa ekwoso wo mam koso biba ha no hwe na obefa ba akwa was mo kwan nyede enye ntimi nyede emma just all the man ka ma me o de man no se nipa no do kono wan fiscal ma sika kem kema business na ka from.
The nature of our roads is actually affecting our kente business negatively, in the sense that here we have about 4 roads leading to a town. All the roads are in the bad condition. I think you can just let's say explore and see the nature of those routes I'm talking about. So we are actually appealing to the government and the stakeholders to come to our aid.
Adiaba akwa yehuni se unse Bonwire Tourist Center abrofo ne ahoho bebre ba ha. By nam say ye kwan ni nyenti ama se nipa mahabio. Obitimi beso kwan so no asan. Na nse ya abrofo bi bo mo ba so say what? Then a high Bonwire tourist site pa ye kone kwani no ma san wo machi enti amase se adwuma na ekofom ti esre empanimfo ne aban ene omo ka bie wo mu se omo waye nye saade asese ye adwuma na igu omo beto nyina beso kwan so san ensuo to aka ama.
The road from Adjusted to Bonwire is in disrepair, and the section from Bonwire to Adangomase is in a terrible state. The road connecting to Jabin is also in a bad condition, with the Bonwire and Twa section being the worst affected. Following the abandonment of road construction works in Bonwire by a contractor, the challenges with the road network have intensified, leaving residents in a precarious situation. Open gutters are causing accidents, leading to injuries among residents. Kwekwe Friye, a middle-aged kente weaver, shares with Citi News how he suffered severe injuries due to the poor condition of the roads and pits resulting from the stalled construction.
Yeah, I see, and it's a sorry, Anapa. Nanami Blaba Kote, Minchese. Now, nti deɛ metee ya ne sɛ me bra ne wu na mede mirika kɔ no hɔ ɛhɔ a na me nan ɛtɔ amena no mu amena no nso wa mayi wɔ mu a ɛbɛyɛ kwaa no menim nipa koro no wɔde kɔmpijo wɔ mu na yɛ kwaa no nti wɔ mu yɛɛyɛ no na sɛdeɛ wɔ mu si yɛɛ no no ɛni kwaa sɛ nka yɛyɛ ne saa kwaa no ɛmoa ayi amena no mu wa na afei ndi so meyɛɛyɛ a metɔɔ mu saa no na mentini ne mu ate nti meyɛ biribiaa ɛnyɛ yie mena me nso menni wɔ biaa mekɔka kyerɛ no.
Despite the outcry from residents in Bonwire and surrounding areas about their dilapidated roads, a strict resolution seems unlikely. The Ashanti Regional Minister, Simon Oseminsa, in a recent engagement with Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, emphasized that abandoned road projects and the government's inability to initiate new ones stem from insufficient funds, with many contractors owed substantial sums of money. All adjoining roads to Bonwire are in bad shape. From Ejiso to Bonwire, Bonwire to Adahumase, Bonwire to Antoine, and all other areas are in terrible states. And as such, residents who are primarily persons who deal in kente weaving are worried about this because they say it is affecting their business activities. They thus want government to find urgent ways of addressing this issue. For Citi News, I'm Edward Oponmafo, Bonwire, a municipality of the Ashanti region.